In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move Figma Drafts files to a team project. If you've been designing in Drafts and you're ready to collaborate, moving the file into a team project keeps your work organized, aligns permissions with your workspace, and makes it easier for teammates to find and contribute. Start in the Figma file browser, not inside the editor. On the left, open the Drafts section. This is your personal space where new files typically live. Find the file you want to relocate, then right-click it. That right-click opens the context menu you'll use for this move. This step is quick, but it's key. Using the context menu ensures you get the correct move option, and don't accidentally duplicate or rename the file instead. From the context menu, click Move File. This action moves the single file, keeping its version history, comments, and components intact. Nothing inside your pages or frames changes, and you won't lose progress. Think of it like picking up a folder from your desk and placing it in the team cabinet. Same contents, just a better home. A window will open asking where to move the file. Select the team, and then the specific project you want as the destination. Take a second to choose the right spot. If you don't see the team or project you expect, it may be a permissions issue, or you might not be a member of that team. In that case, you'll need access from a workspace admin before you can move files there. Also keep in mind that once moved, the file typically adopts your team's project-level permissions, which is great for collaboration, but it may give more people visibility than in Drafts. That's usually the goal. Just be aware before you confirm. When you've selected the correct project, click Move to Finalize. The file will leave your drafts and appear inside the team project almost immediately. All existing share links will continue to work, and version history and comments remain available. After the move, it's a good idea to quickly open the file from its new location to confirm access looks right for your collaborators and the file name is clear for the team. If anything looks off or you placed it in the wrong project, you can repeat the same steps to move it again, including moving it back to drafts. And that's it. Right-click the draft, choose Move File, select the team project, and confirm. This small habit keeps your workspace tidy and helps your team stay in sync. Thanks for watching and happy designing.